Alright folks, it's been a little while since we recorded the video, but now we're back from Louisiana. We had to make a trip over to get some cypress wood. Let me show you, this is what we come back with. Good 100-year-old cypress wood. We're going to do a little furniture making. So to start out, if anybody has trying to hang things on the wall in their house, here and there, those drywall hangers and such, they ain't worth a damn. So you can see here, that's 2x6 cypress, 100-year-old cypress that we screwed into. It's not coming off the wall. Here's another piece we did over here. Thank you, camera lady. All right, and over here is one more piece. The big piece. Now I'll show you this what we do. That's 5-inch stainless steel screws. And how we did this is, went and measured it. I bought it pretty much freehand. Found out where the studs were. Drilled all the holes first to get them started. Let me tell you, your battery won't go low with this. Cut all the boards. Come back, change the bit out for the screw bit, and screwed each one of them in. And that's how we did it. I hope you liked it. I think it came out really nice. And even some of our fans in Louisiana got on board with us and sent us some gifts. They're getting on board with everything that's bigger in Texas. Thank y'all for tuning in and subscribe to the channel. Whoa!